Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace the Serpentine belts, tensioners, and idler pulley on your 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today, I'll be changing the engine serpentine belt, tensioner, and idler pulley as well as the AC belt and tensioner on this 2012 Ford F-150. Procedures will be similar on a lot of 5-liter F-150s from 2009 to 2014, but be sure to know the specifics for your truck before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. The Ford 5-liter is equipped with a serpentine belt to run most of the accessories, as well as an air conditioning compressor belt. Depending on the year of your truck, the AC compressor belt will either be a stretch style belt or a contemporary serpentine belt with a tensioner. This truck is equipped with a serpentine belt and a tensioner, so we'll be showing you how to do that version today. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open your hood. For easier access, remove the air intake tube. To remove the main serpentine belt connected to your alternator, use your breaker bar and a 13mm socket on the tensioner pulley bolt and rotate counterclockwise to relieve tension on the belt. Then slide the belt off of the pulleys. If you intend to replace the AC belt, you'll also have to remove the main serpentine belt tensioner using a 13mm socket. If your AC compressor belt uses a tensioner, here's what you'll do next. Insert the end of your breaker bar into the opening on the tensioner. You may need to use an extension to reach it. Then rotate it clockwise to relieve tension on the belt. Once tension has been relieved, you can remove the belt. If you're also replacing the tensioner, which is usually advised when the belt is replaced, it can also be removed with a 10mm socket. We also recommend the idler pulley be replaced if it's worn or if the tensioner and belt are being replaced to ensure a complete, long-lasting repair. To replace the idler pulley, remove the bolt and reinstall the new idler. Then torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Now you can replace the AC belt tensioner with your new one and torque the bolt to 18 foot-pounds. To reinstall the belt, route it around the compressor, idler, and crankshaft. Then use your breaker bar to rotate the tensioner arm clockwise and slip the belt over the tensioner. Ensure that the belt is routed properly and is fully seated before moving back to the accessory belt. Before reinstalling the accessory serpentine belt, install your new tensioner using a 14mm socket and torque the bolt to 35 foot-pounds. Now route your belt according to the belt routing diagram in your owner's manual or under the hood, starting with the crankshaft, alternator, and tensioner. Use a 15mm socket to rotate the tensioner counterclockwise and loop the belt over the water pump pulley. Replace your air intake tube. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.